Hey guys, welcome to Supremo Traders. And first of all, I just want to thank all of you to subscribing our channel, and we'll achieve the 300 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for your support and do subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed till date. Okay, thank you for subscribing our channel to achieve this milestone of 300 subscribers. Thank you guys. Now let's start to analyze the market for tomorrow. That is 21st of Jan. That is the pre-market analysis for 21st of Jan. So let's go to our watch list and let's check which stocks we selected for tomorrow. So if you see on my screen guys, so first is Bank Nifty. We can analyze the Bank Nifty as well, and the three stocks TCS, Hero Motorcap and Kotak Bank. So in these three stocks I see a good opportunities that we can trade for tomorrow. So let's start one by one. So first let's start to analyze the Bank Nifty. Okay, so if you see on my screen, I just already marked some levels for the Bank Nifty. So if you see, say, there are simple head and shoulder pattern may created tomorrow and may break out. So if it's not, we are not predicting, but if you see this point, so it may create a inverted head and shoulder pattern. If it breaks this level, Bank Nifty is highly bullish. Okay, if not, and if opens gap down as tomorrow is expiry, so volatile day. So if you see, I just marked here one trend line, this trend line. I just highlight that trend line in a blue color with dark shade. So if you see, so why I mark this trend line? This supported here, again supported here, and Bank Nifty taking support here. So four times Bank Nifty taking support there. Okay. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty breaks this, so you can see this area, the yellow color. I just, if Bank Nifty breaks yellow color area, you can trade for this as of your first target as a 200 point, and the second target as a 400 to 500 points for tomorrow. So why this yellow color area? If you see, taking resistance, see this red one, taking resistance in this area, again this area resistance, good resistance area, good support. So crucial levels, these are the, this yellow area is a crucial area for tomorrow for Bank. If it breaks this area, you can target for 200 point as the first target and 500 point as the second target. And if it break this gray color area upside, or this purple color area, then Bank Nifty breaking the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it's highly bullish above that. Okay, so this is how we can trade tomorrow Bank Nifty. Hope you guys understand for the Bank Nifty. So let's go to the next stock, that is the Kotak Bank. So if you see, I just mark some levels for Kotak Bank. So why these levels? So again, Kotak Bank also making some inverted head and shoulder pattern like a Bank Nifty only. Okay, guys, Bank Nifty is also making inverted head and shoulder. If Kotak Bank breaks this and inverted head and shoulder pattern in a downtrend, is the sign of trend reversal. So this, if you see bank, it's a downtrend for the Kotak Bank, clear cut downtrend, and this is the trend reversal pattern, inverted head and shoulder. So if it breaks this and sustain above this level for initial 15 to 20 minutes, okay, on this level, if it sustain for initial above this, it's a highly positive. Okay, so above this, positive. Okay guys, so this is, so you can target this area as your first target directly, this area as your first target, and after that you can target this as your second target if it breaks. If it not breaks, it goes down below this yellow area, you can sell the Kotak Bank for the target of this area is your first target. Okay, purple color area is your first target, and this support area is your second target. So hope you guys understand the Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank is also doing beautiful inverted header pattern. So first turn touch, second, third, fourth, fifth. So multiple times respecting the trend line as well. So if breaks this trend line, you will get a good breakout. Okay, so this is for the Kotak Bank. Hope you guys understand for the Kotak Bank. Let's go to the next stock, TCS. I just clear the annotations. Yeah, now you can see the TCS. So I mark the trend line. So if you see the blue color trend line that I mark, So why this trend line I mark? So first time respecting this trend line, second time respecting the same trend line, today third time respecting the same trend line. In downside, first time respecting the trend line, if here second, here third. Okay, now if it breaks this area, if tomorrow TCS breaks this horizontal area, gray area with this trend line, you can trade for this as a first target and this as a second target. Okay, for the intraday. So why this gray area? Resistance, resistance, resistance break the resistance converted to support. So it takes support. So this is also crucial area for the bank nifty. And now this is the sure trade, guys. If it breaks this area with this trend line, this is a good trend line. First time, second time, third time respecting the trend line. So support trend line with the support area, if it breaks, definitely you will get this target, guys. So you can trade that TCS for tomorrow for this as a below this as a 60 point as your target for intraday. So be watchful on TCS on these levels. And if it not breaks lower side, if it breaks this area, now you can go and trade for from here. TCS will be a bullish, so you can go and long the TCS. Okay, so this is how we work in the TCS tomorrow. And the last stock we have is a Hero MotoCorp. Again, Hero MotoCorp also having some. So if you see this area, this yellow color area is a no trade zone for the Hero MotoCorp. And also I mark one trend line in Hero MotoCorp. So why this trend line? This first time respected there and second time respected there, and making some good pattern also. Uh, like a cup and handle. Okay, if it breaks, it gives you good up move. But let's see, let's complete the pattern. But now above this no trade zone, if it break this area, you can trade for this as a first target. If break this area, trade this as a first and this as a second target. So this is for the Hero MotoCorp, guys, for the intraday. So hope you guys understand the analysis for pre-market analysis for tomorrow for Bank Nifty, TCS, Hero MotoCorp and Kotak Bank. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe the channel if you are get some benefit out of this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the video.